Here at Monarch Millwork, we buy aspen and basswood lumber, green, and we dry it, and then we either sell the lumber or make it into dimensional components. There's just not a whole lot of people that do what we do.
Here we have an optimizing scanner to cut our lumber. So we cut out all the defects that the scanner detects, like knots and wane and mill rough. All those short pieces that we cut out, we store in totes and pallets, and then we run through our finger joint machine.
Automation has been a huge part of, especially the last 15 years of our business. The advancements in neural networking and imaging for processing the lumber, we're able to do more work with the same amount of people.
The first thing we saw is a huge change in quality of the parts coming out of the machine. The joints were better, the glue was more consistent, less breakages of the wood in downstream operations. And we reuse our sticks many times throughout our process. So we'll use a large stick to make one product, and then rejects from that we'll use for another product. So we barely scrap any material. Having that strong joint really impacted our quality rate throughout our entire process.
Stiles is really great. Their commitment and persistence during the install, getting everything right, making sure they followed up. Installing machines, nothing ever goes perfect, but they hung in there with us all the way through, and they were there to support it all the way.
I would tell another person in woodworking to definitely look into what Stiles has to offer. They're a big company, so they have the service and the parts department with all the tools that they can offer. And unlike some other companies, they don't offer just one solution at one price point. No matter what your size and what your needs, they'll have options available. They'll visit you, sit down and talk with you, and really understand what you need, not just try to sell something they want to sell.